Samsung breaks the internet with the launch of the company's first foldable phone, set to be released in early 2019. Welcome to InformOverload. I'm your host Johnny Rogers, and if you're new to the channel, we tell you about the most interesting news stories that we find on the internet, and we make them more entertaining. When you hear foldable phone, the first thing you think of is a flip phone, but Samsung is taking back that word with the release of the tablet that folds into a phone. While open, the tablet offers its users a much larger screen to experience, and when closed, it's a regular phone that fits nicely into your pocket. I very rarely get excited about new technology, but this is one of those new inventions that made me scream, "Take my money!" At the company's developer conference on Wednesday, Samsung exec Justin Dennison unveiled the Infinity Flex display technology. This is yet another reason why I love Samsung, and truly speaks to the reason why this company is surpassing Apple and other smartphone companies. As I mentioned, the phone uses a new display technology called Infinity Flex display, which lets you open and close the phone with little to no issues happening with the screen itself. Dennison said, "We've been living in a world where the size of your screen can only be as large as the device itself. We've added a new dimension to help you browse, watch, and multitask like never before." The market success for this phone will depend solely on whether or not the company can manage to craft a sleek design. Sadly, that's where we're at with this technology. If it doesn't look and feel nice, chances are users won't want it, which kind of makes us look like greedy children. I mean, they are at fault for that though. The more of these phones that they make, the more we fuss over its design. And if it tends to be bulky, the phones just won't sell well. The phone design concept alone is remarkable, but it's what's inside the phone that counts. The foldable phone will be able to run up to 3 apps simultaneously, which Samsung refers to as multi-active window. This new technological advancement though is only the first stop for their developers. Samsung also alluded to the fact that they will be working on technology for rollable and stretchable displays. While the design and price of the phone are still a mystery, it's rumored that the phone will be one of the most expensive smartphones on the market once released. As for the specs on the device, when it's closed, it will appear to be a regular phone, which is about 4.58 inches and has a 21:9 aspect ratio. When opened into its tablet form, the experience is meant to be more optimized with a 4.2:3 aspect ratio and 7.3 inches in size. Now, as I leave you to think about that, let's entertain your brain with some of the comments. Game Central says, "I feel like this guy's a Paul supporter." Absolutely not. I even said that in the video. I couldn't care less about them. I just thought the joke was in poor taste and that no one else was really gonna say anything. So that's why I spoke on it. Definitely don't care about the Paul brothers. Joseph Williams says, "I'm a comedian," he puts in quotes. "When's your show coming to NC?" Well, North Carolina. Well, if you comment your city down below and there's enough of you in a given area, I will definitely do my best to put together a comedy tour. I mean, cross your fingers, here's hoping. Spotted Elephant says, "Awesome job promoting kindness, Johnny. Not done nearly enough." I do my best to remain optimistic about human beings just in general, but you're right, it should be done more. Now pay it forward. Laughlin Co says, "Johnny, is this why you're not on Top 10 Nerd? I'm still on the channel as well as Top 10 Gaming. If you go subscribe, you'll see my videos soon." Serena says, "We love a reasonable intellectual schooling KSI about proper manners. Keep it up, Johnny." I'm a good old Canadian kid, just how I was raised, so you can thank my parents for the manners. Thank you for watching Inform Overload. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Plus, if you want more videos like this one, you just gotta click the playlist on the screen. It's just that easy. Plus, I'd love to get your take on this, so comment down below with what you thought. Do you think this phone is going to fly off the shelves, or do we have another dud on our hands? Also, if you have any hot tips on any new and exciting stories that you want us to cover, just find my Instagram in the description below and send me a DM. I'll do my best to reply. From Inform Overload, I'm Johnny Rogers, and until next time, take care.